Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aiden for y'all that don't know me, and today is day trading reflection video number 23. It is a Wednesday. I hope y'all's trading week is going well, and let's not waste any more time here. Let's go ahead and hop right into it and what I did today and grow from these mistakes. I finished down almost $10 today. I only traded LABU on the stock, and I'm using TD Ameritrade for anybody who is wondering, the Thinkorswim platform. So, LABU. Right, LABU, it opens pretty high in pre-market hours, and then after open, it came back down and hit the SMA line and built a support right below it. On the support, it started bouncing around. I took notice of it. I let it make a resistance, and then it came back to the support. I was like, cool. And I honestly saw a wedge pattern right here. This is what I traded. Some people may not see this. Traders always see different things. You know, we don't all see the same thing. This wedge pattern, though, I identified it. I was like, all right, after this indecisive candlestick, which came after it broke the resistance long, I went ahead and bought long at 48.73 for LABU. About right here on this green candlestick, it's breakout. I was up about 0.45%, 0.4-ish, somewhere in there. And the stock didn't push past this resistance area, which it makes sense why it would not push past it. So it would not have been a bad idea to lock in profits as the stock started to begin being rejected by this resistance area. I did not. I was a little bit more greedy today, and I went ahead and held, and I actually lost 0.9%, way past my 0.5% stop loss. My stop got rejected, and that's how that went down. It got rejected about twice until I finally just sold a limit order, and it went through. The stock did surge up afterwards, though, so a few things that I could have done to prevent this from happening again was either A, be more patient and waiting for the stock to actually push past this resistance area right here, just like it did, and then you could clock your 1% right there. Two, if you bought where I did, you could have locked in profits at that whatever, your 0.6, 0.4, wherever you bought. If you're up and you're at a resistance area, it's not a bad idea to lock in profits. I did not. Don't get greedy. The market doesn't do what you want it to do. The market just does it, you know? And so those are my two big things I could tell right here. But as far as the trading went down overall, it wasn't bad for this trade. Let's go ahead and hop over to my next trade. I took two trades on LABU. There was other opportunities in the market, but I really liked LABU today. And this trade was, again, another breakout trade. Let me go ahead, I'm going to keep those trend lines just so y'all can see what I was doing, because those two I was using. I built this trend line afterwards, this one right here at 49.3, and these two were the ones that I placed too high. So I was using these trend lines at 49.47 about, because I was like, this is a good resistance area, whatever. But in reality, the 49.3 area was the true resistance line, and that is where I did not have it at the time. And that is why I believe I failed on this trade. So this trade I bought in at 49.56, all the way up here. Why'd you buy all the way up there if the resistance line is right here? Well, I thought the resistance line was right here, so I thought the stock broke out and went back and retested the support, which it did right here, and then it came back and it was building higher highs. And so as I bought in right here, I thought this line was this line, right? I thought it dipped below that and then came back. In reality, it was just retesting, and it made sense for me back then at the time, before this recording of the video, to buy here. And it did not. It actually got rejected by that resistance area, came back down, retested the support, the actual support, and then pushed back up. Okay, so what do you mean the two support lines that I got confused and mixed up on? Okay, so as the stock broke out, it began to make higher highs, which meant this resistance line, this line right here was once resistance, is now a support. I didn't put that trend line right there. I put it up here, and that's in the wrong spot, which I bought in right here. I thought this candlestick was the retestment and it was making higher highs. In reality, This candlestick at 9 o'clock exactly on LABU was a candlestick that retested the support line, in which I should have bought if I was using the strategy that I'm trying to. That's how I messed up on this trade. If I would have bought here at the bounce of the actual support line, I could have put my stop at 0.5, and then I wouldn't have had the problem once it came back and actually retested it again and bounced and made higher highs. So that, just based off my entry point, that was my problem. The supports and resistances were off just a little bit, and that made my entry point off just a little bit. And so these few things just need to be tweaked and worked on, and that just comes with experience and practice. And that's what I'll do. That's what we all have to do as day traders, and we learn every day. We grow every day, and that's what I'm trying to do with these reflections. So guys, if you're enjoying the content, leave me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Leave me a comment down below how your trading week went, what you like about the content, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I'm trying to bring y'all some good, valuable content that other day traders can use for this series. All right, guys, as always, I will see you on the next video. Stay up and peace out.